I'm Jeremy Hamill. I'm the Chief Operator at the Upper Mill Creek facility, Butler County, Ohio. We are a 16 million gallon design facility, and our average daily flow is 10 million gallons a day. And we have been operating the CleanB since 2020. The CleanB was chosen for our facility based on our odor issues. We were limited for our outlets for our biosolids, so we wanted to go with an option that reduced our odors.
I'm Tim Zanker, Utility Superintendent for the City of Marengo. We're a Class 1 wastewater treatment plant. We installed the BCR CleanB technology in 2022. The CleanB was chosen for our facility because we were in need of restoring a wastewater treatment plant. We had an aging anaerobic digester system that was in need of a lot of capital expenditure to replace or repair. BCR was able to scale down the CleanB unit to fit into the available space that we had at our facility and provided everything we needed to achieve Class B Option 4 biosolids for land application.
Joseph Jason Fraley. I'm the Chief Operator at the Baker Heights Wastewater Treatment Plant in Berkeley County, West Virginia. We have 4 Class 3 plants that we use the CleanB system at. It was chosen for vector reduction, elimination of lime, consistency in the treatment process, and added bonus, we end up with Class B biosolids.
We needed to have an operation that was going to be simple to operate, and the CleanB has provided every bit of that.
The simplicity of it is very important because I only have 3 guys, and it only requires 1 to start it, and it normally only takes about 5 minutes in the morning.
Before when we had anaerobic digesters, we would maintain probably 10 to 12 pumps, a boiler, a heat exchanger. There was a lot that went into it. And now it's just 2 pumps, click start, and that's it.
The instrumentation package that was included with the CleanB allows monitoring and operation. You can see different process parameters such as pH, total solids, oxidation reduction potential, and it gives you the option to run your dosage based on some of these parameters. We have 2 tanks, double-walled for protection and leak detection as well. One has sodium chlorite, one has sulfuric acid. I really like the fact that the chlorine dioxide is generated at the source. So the chlorine dioxide generator is where we create the chemical reaction and create chlorine dioxide. It keeps us from having gas at the facility. It also allows us to have minimal contact with chemicals from the operator level.
Prior to installing the CleanB units, there'd be just a heavy ammonia smell in the building, and that would just stick to everybody. You'd smell that. You'd walk into the building for a minute and you'd smell like ammonia.
Since we've installed the CleanB, we've eliminated the mercaptan and ammonia concentration in the building, which has added to a higher safety level for the employees and made a much better environment in the operations building.
We have housing developments close by, and the trucks, they smell less. We do farm field spreading. It attracts bugs, rats, all kinds of stuff, the more odor you have out on the fields.
We're able to achieve Class B biosolids. Before it would take 15 to 30 days to achieve that, the anaerobic digesters. Now we're achieving that in 10 minutes.
BCR provides quarterly inspections. They come out on site and they provide any needed maintenance and repairs. It's been very beneficial keeping all 4 CleanB systems in the county up and running for the last 10 years.